Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ford F-150 Raptor, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Mudrunner series, and this is number 3 out of 5, and I bought this for 249 rupees, which is the MRP. So don't buy it from scalpers. So if you want any help, connect with me over comments. I will add you in my group and I will buy it for you for MRP, or my friends will help you out. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car are really nice. The paint job looks really amazing. So it's a glittery green color. I personally am a sucker for glittery colors. So the headlights are painted, nothing new here. This still looks really nice. We don't have anything for the tail lights. It has exhaust pipes, that looks really nice. The build is really great, the casting is really nice. Here's a look at the interior. So this part is made of plastic. So I think this also has like 3 parts. One is the body, another one is the chassis, and in between that interior, which connects here with this one, this part here. Okay, so let's do a roll test as usual. It does have a lot of wobble, but it still looks good. So this is by Hotwheels, and let me show you one more thing, guys. Oh my god, I'm not able to take it out. Okay, finally I got it out. So this one is by Measure It. So that looks that this is really heavy, and when the size is a bit without the body kit, this one looks bigger than this one. Dude, look at the size of the Measure It's Ford. Both are F-150 Raptor only, if you guys are wondering. I agree, this one is around 550 or 600 rupees, and this is from their tune-up series. Still, this is something different. Okay, let's keep this back. Just give me 1 second. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.